Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This lecture is about one word substitution, and this is a very much important topic. These vocabularies are generally asked in various type of examination. Let's start. One who is all powerful is called omnipotent. One who is always doubting, skeptic. One who is beyond reforms, incorrigible. One who is converted from one religion to other, proselyte. One who is fond of fighting, bellicose. One who is greedy, voracious. One who is honorably discharged from service, emeritus. One who is in charge of museum, curator. One who is indifferent to pain and pleasure, stoic. One who is unable to pay one's debt, bankrupt. One who journey from place to place, itinerant. One who knows everything, omniscient. One who knows many languages, polyglot. One who lends money at very high interest, usurer. One who loves books, bibliophile. One who loves or supports his or her country and is willing to defend it, patriot. One who offers his service of his own free will, volunteer. One who performs daring gymnastic feats, acrobat. One who play for pleasure rather than as a professional, amateur. One who practices one of fine arts, artist. One who pretends to be what he is not, hypocrite. One who resides in a country of which he is not a citizen, alien. One who secretly listens to talk of others, eavesdropper. One who sneers at the aims of and belief of his fellow men, cynic. One who speaks for others, spokesman. One who stay away from school without permission, truant. One who studied election trend by means of opinion polls, psychologist. One who takes care of a building, warden. One who thinks or speaks too much of himself, egoist. One who uses fear as a weapon of power, terrorist. One who walks in sleep, somnambulist. One whose motive is merely to get money, mercenary. Opposed to great or sudden change, conservative. Paper, story, or poem first written out by hand, manuscript. Part of church in which bells hang, belfry. Partner in crime, accomplice. Part of country behind the coast or a river bank, hinterland. Person believing in free will, libertarian. Person leading a life of strict self-discipline, ascetic. Person who believes that God is everything and everything is God, pantheist. Person who eats too much, glutton. Person who files a suit, plaintiff. Person who insists on adherence to formal rules or literally meaning, pedant. Pertaining to cattle, bovine. Place of burial, especially not in churchyard, cemetery. Place that provide refuge, asylum. Place where wine is made, brewery. Placing a thing besides another, juxtapose. Policemen riding on motorcycle is gods to a VIP, outriders. Present opposing arguments or evidence, rebut, pretended attack, feint, prohibited by law or treaty from being imported or exported, contraband, providing relief, reprieve, quibble, prevaricate, ready to believe anything, credulous, rebellion against lawful authority, mutiny, regard for other as a principle of action, altruism, related to moon, lunar, relating to kinship with father, patrilineal, relationship by blood or birth, consanguinity, release of a prisoner from jail or certain terms and conditions, parole, rules governing socially acceptable behavior, equitable, scale used for measuring the strength of an earthquake, Richter, science of diseases, pathology, science of human mind and behavior, psychology, science of the races of mankind, ethnology, science regarding principles of classification, taxonomy, seeing something which is not actually present, hallucination, send or bring somebody back to his own country, repatriate, sentimental longing for a period in past, nostalgia, severely abusive writing in journal, scurrilous, shaking movement of the ground, tremor, simple, fast spreading plant without flowers or leaves, which can often cause diseases, fungus, small pieces of metal that fly out from an exploding bomb, shrapnel, soldiers who fight on horseback, cavalry, someone having many skills, versatile, someone who is designated to hear both sides of a dispute and make a judgment, arbitrator, someone who scientifically studies the birds, ornithologist, something capable of being done, feasible, something kept as a reminder of an event, souvenir, something no longer in use, obsolete, something that can be heard, audible, something that cannot be explained, inexplicable, something that caused death, fatal, something that is difficult to believe, incredible, something that is poisonous and unhealthy, toxic, something that might happen in future, contingency, something which is imagined to be real but actually does not exist, figment, something which is not thorough or profound, superficial, kept a special trial of the head of state by parliament, impeachment, speed of an object in one direction, velocity, spoken or done without preparation, extempore, state of anxiety or dismay causing mental confusion, consternation, stealthily done, something done in a quiet and secret way in order to avoid being noticed, surreptitious, strong, concentrated, black coffee made under steam pressure, espresso, strong dislikes between two persons, antipathy, study of chaos, speleology, study of mankind, anthropology, study of the nature of gods, theology.